Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's session, I'm going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and show you potential trading opportunities that you can take advantage of for this coming week. Now, we're going to start off with DXY, the US dollar currency index. Currently, it has been breaking these lows, creating kind of a downtrend. And recently, before the market closed, it started pumping higher. Obviously, this is the 4-hour time frame. Now, my bias is still, I am looking to see prices being bullish because obviously you can see on the higher time frames, they broke these major structures out here, right? Now, the current trend, you can see it's about starting to go higher. So my bias is that prices are retracing to come back at around here, this broken structure. So my view is prices will pump until somewhere here, tap these structures, and then we'll be waiting for a bearish confirmation candlestick to dump until these lows. And then once prices hit these lows, we are obviously going to continue with the trend. I think prices will also fill this gap. So like one of the reasons these prices, the structures they're forming is prices will be dumping to fill this gap, but also to complete the trend and the cycle, obviously. So how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? We do have Euro JPY, BTC. Do you guys want me to analyze BTC also? Like in my analysis, do you want me to also be analyzing BTC? Let me know in the comments. So you can see with Euro JPY, Euro USD prices have already broken these structures. So it's obviously a bullish trend with this as the highest high that we're looking to see prices tap. And I'm looking for prices to retrace until here, this recent broken structure, before prices tap that high. So I'm looking for prices to dump until here. So once prices reach here, we will be looking for some kind of a confirmation before we go long. And then we have UJ. UJ, it's in a downtrend currently. Longs, I'm looking for prices to sell long term. So currently, I am looking for prices as it's retracing to bounce on these areas right here before we actually sell off. Mind you guys, these are the 4-hour time frames. So I'm obviously going to be looking for entries on the lower time frames. GU, same thing, same thing. Apologies for I haven't really cleaned up my charts. So you can see here we had prices going down and then prices broke the highs. So obviously we are looking for prices to retrace. As you can see here, if you look closely, you can see it has already broken below these lows. Now I am looking to see prices short before it can go long. And the long that we'll be looking for is prices tapping these highs up here. So obviously we will be looking for entries once prices reach the high lows, right? So that's my view also on GBP USD. Let us see how it will be playing out this coming week. Now let's talk about JPYX. Now with JPYX, I still believe prices will be filling that gap. However, if you look on the daily, let's say, you can see it's currently rejecting off this market structure here. So let's go back to the 4 hours. With the 4 hours, I am looking to see prices retrace until somewhere here on this structure to look for more bullish momentum. And then we will be looking for some kind of a confirmation candlestick. And then we go long. And this time, first targets will obviously be here. Once prices reach here, we will obviously break even to protect our capital, but then the targets will be up here. I do also believe for JPYX, we are going to be filling this gap possibly this coming week. How will that be looking on the currency pairs that we have, such as EJ? With EJ, you can see prices are still consolidating here, kind of ranging. They don't want to. Now, look at that. Like with JPYX, you can see a sell-off, but you don't see the same momentum on EJ. That tells you everything. Like that's just the ploy. Like that's just the ploy, right? So with EJ, I will be looking for prices to break below here, give us some kind of a retracement before we see prices sell off, fill the gap, and then possibly continue being bullish. That's my long-term view on EJ. CAR JPY, same thing, same thing. Here we actually see the retracement. Now I am looking for prices to retrace until somewhere there, selling to all the way down here, filling the gap, and then charging to the highs, right? So that's my view on CAD JPY and how the JPYX will be shaping the markets this coming week. We have gold creating new higher highs as always. Prices this before the last week ended, you can see it started off or closed with some kind of a sharp um sell-off. My view for this coming week is that we can see prices broke these lows, which is something it hasn't done for a while since all the way back here, right? So my bias is prices might be retracing a bit. Gold is obviously bullish. We all know that. Now, my view is prices will tap that, kind of pull off, drop a bit until yay lows, right? Once prices tap here, I will be looking for some kind of, mind you, this is 1 hour, some kind of retracement. Should prices give us the right risk to reward, I might take this sell for prices to sell until somewhere here. But my main targets that I believe gold will be selling to are at least 4,000. Prices might hit 4,000 this coming week before we actually see it take off again and create new higher highs. That's my view on gold this coming week. Now, if you enjoyed this video, kindly consider liking it, subscribing, and sharing with a few friends that will also find value in it. Till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Cheers.